Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter, and I would like to welcome you to my video, and thanks for coming by. And this is Power Lead System that you're looking at here, and you're in the back office. And if you're already in Power Lead System, if you've joined up, if you have upgraded in Power Lead System, I just wanted to show you some steps to take to promote any business that you want to. Now, I'm going to show you the websites, the Power Lead System. These are your capture pages, and you're going to scroll all the way down to your capture page that you want to promote for your primary business. Right here, you're going to scroll down to any company lead capture page. And whatever company you desire to promote, you're going to choose one of these capture pages. And one of these capture pages, either one of these capture pages that you choose, you want to select one of these dots here to put in just one space. If you want email address only, you can use one that says name, email, phone number, or you can use one that says name and email. You just select one of those. You just click on the image on the right hand side to see what it looks like. This is what it will look like right here. If you choose just email only, then one space will be here for email only. And when a subscriber opt into your page, they're going to put their email address here, and they are going to start receiving an autoresponder messages on your behalf that will promote your primary business. That is, if you have set it up to do so. First of all, you want to go to getting started. Click on the easy button, start here, and you're going to have two links. One of the links is going to represent Lead Lightning by itself, just Lead Lightning alone. And the second link is going to promote your primary business, your Lead Lightning primary business. And what you're going to do is put it right here. Okay, that's going to promote your primary business. Let's go back over to web pages. And we're going to scroll back down. That is, if you have set up, you need to set up a subdomain, or you can just use one of these capture pages. Let's choose a subdomain to use with one of those capture pages. I got quite a few of them. You can click right here, and I'm gonna just click this one right here. No, I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna start with this one right here, and then I'll scroll down, and I'm going to select one of the capture pages to promote my primary business. Right here it says referral link B, which I showed you a while ago. Referral link B, promote Lead Lightning and your primary business. Okay, we don't want to choose that one. We want to go, let me see, let me go back up. Any business, I'm going to choose, just say for instance, this one right here. Use this one time email, and I'm going to select that. This is what it will look like, but it will be just the email space there. And we're going to go all the way down after we select the capture page, and we're going to save my choice, and then it will take you over to this is the link I chose, and my primary business will go right here. Right here, it's already there. See where it is right here? So I just select that, go to my company specific URL on file. The URL on file is the one that I had in the space. So I will save my choice. And now this is the autoresponder messages that will go out to your leads, the one that put their email address inside of your capture page. Your primary business, it says promote your primary business for all members. You have 16 messages in the Power Lead system after a person put in their information. 16 messages, not all at one time, periodically will go out to promote your primary business. Okay. We're going to submit, and now we're going to check. It says, congratulations, you have successfully set up. It says 253. That's my subdomain plus my domain. We're going to click on it. And then once they put their email address in, they have to verify that they are a real person. This is the leads, and that's my capture page that will represent my primary business. And that's all it is to it. Once you start off with Lead Lightning is the beginning of a Power Lead system. Let's go down. We're going to scroll down. And if you just wanted to promote referral link A, we'll go down here. It's a Power Lead system lead capture pages. This is the capture pages for Lead Lightning. Once you promote it, people will see what Lead Lightning is all about. They start with $7 every time one sign up for Lead Lightning. For the $7, you're getting $6. If you don't have a primary business, you can just promote Lead Lightning. Let me show you what your page will look like if you promote referral link A or B and don't have a primary business. You're just going to be promoting Lead Lightning. And if you stumble and you don't know exactly what you're doing, you can contact me. This is what your lead capture page would look like. Signing up with Lead Lightning, you get one capture page, which is this one, and an autoresponder that will send messages out on your behalf. You can promote A or B. A would just be promoting Lead Lightning for someone to join up for $7. You will get $6. Referral link B will be promoting Lead Lightning and your primary business. As simple as that. And we do have training on all this. At the bottom of this video, you will see my Power Lead system sales page and my Lead Lightning sales. I tell you what, I just put the sales page down for the Lead Lightning, and that's all it is to it. If you're a member, I hope you got a little bit out of this little training. If you're not, you can sign up at the bottom of this video. Get started today and get your domain where you can put your domain in here, and you can make all sorts of subdomains. and all you have to do is come over and start training. We have a training area you can go to and learn everything you need to know by simple video training. It's easy. I say it's easy. I don't know how it would be for you, but to me, the videos are, they are real simple. And if you stumble, if you fall, just rewind and go back over it again. Just to give you a glimpse of our training back office in the Power Lead system, what you want to do is go to your daily tips when you first get over there and go through your daily tips section and start right here. Say start here. It will teach you different things about how to get started with the Power Lead system. And you have your training here where you can learn everything you need to know about how to promote it and how to brand yourself. And if you're struggling, it will give you successful tips on how to be successful. All right. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a good day or night. Bye-bye.